Hello and welcome to this video on how to backup OneDrive folder. So if you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to look on the bottom taskbar, and when you have looked inside the bottom taskbar, you just have to look on the right hand side of the screen. After bottom taskbar, there will be an cloud icon, and when you hover around it, it will say OneDrive. So you just have to click on that cloud icon, and a pop-up box will appear right in front of your screen. Now you just have to look on the top right hand side of the pop-up box. There will be a setting button. Click on it and on the small pop-up box will appear, and the first option is settings. So you just have to click on the setting, and the setting interface will be shown right in front of you. And when you're inside the setting interface, you just need to click on the sync and backup tab, and you will be able to access the sync and backup tab. And when you're inside that section, there will be manage backup option or the button. So you just have to click on that manage backup, and manage backup section will appear right in front of the screen, and you just have to enable all the buttons that is shown to you on the manage backup, and you will be able to backup OneDrive folder. So this is how you can easily backup OneDrive folder. So if video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.